All right, so this actually has two solutions. So what you're supposed to do is when it looks like this, we got our absolute value bracket, x plus or minus some number a equals some constant c. Then you separate it into x plus or minus a, whatever it is, equals c, and x plus or minus a, depending on how it's written, equals minus c. C has to be positive. If it's not positive, you can't do anything with it. So this is pretty easy, actually. If we say 7p plus 9 equals 58, this is kind of easy. You just subtract 9 from both sides, right? And then 9 minus 9 is 0. You get 7p is equal to 58 minus 9. What's that?
49.
49? Oh, that's pretty easy. And divide both sides by 7, and I get p equals 7. Now, that should be enough to know that it's a. But what was funny to me is I didn't do multiple choice. I wanted both answers on the test. I want to know that you know how to do it. So I'm supposed to do this a second time with the negative number. Over here, I'm supposed to say 7p plus 9 equals negative 59. Or 58, sorry. Now, there were a lot of mistakes made here. One, half the kids that got this wrong didn't even do this part. They didn't even do that part, okay? So that was one mistake. The other mistake was the negative numbers. If you don't know how to do negative numbers, use the calculator. There were so many people that got this wrong because they didn't add or subtract the negative numbers. So when you get to this point here, plug it in the calculator. I saw all kinds of mistakes right here. Right here. When you minus a minus, or when you're adding two negatives, however you want to word it, you just plug that in the calculator. So anyways, these cancel, and then you technically add those, but they stay negative. So that would be negative 67. Now, I saw people put 67. I saw people put negative 49. I saw people put all kinds of stuff. None of it was right. Every step, take your time. Take your time. Your test was 12 questions. Take your time. Plug it in the calculator. Make sure it's right. Divide by 7, and I get p equals, and we could just leave this like this. Why? Because that's the answer, right? Does that make sense? All right. Let's stop right there. I'm going to give you another one.